Welcome to your comprehensive guide on mastering the tape measure, a crucial tool in the toolbox of any tradesperson. Understanding how to accurately use and read a tape measure is foundational for success in various trades, from carpentry and plumbing to masonry and beyond. Let's dive into the details that will empower you with the precision and confidence needed for your journey into the trades. A tape measure consists of a few key components: the blade, the lock, and the hook. The blade, usually made of a flexible metal, bears all the measurements. It's marked with lines of various lengths, each representing a specific measurement. The longer lines indicate inches, marked by numbers along the blade, while the shorter lines represent fractions of an inch. Understanding this hierarchy of lines is your first step towards reading measurements like a pro. Measurements on a tape measure are not just about whole numbers. The real skill lies in interpreting the myriad of smaller lines between those whole inches. These lines indicate fractions of an inch, which are crucial for precision in the trades. The longest of these smaller marks typically represents half an inch. The next size down marks the quarter inches and so forth, down to often the 16th or even 32nd of an inch. But how do you practically use a tape measure? First, extend the blade from the tape measure's case, using the lock mechanism to secure it at your desired length. This prevents the blade from retracting while you're taking measurements. To measure, anchor the hook at the end of your tape measure to the edge of the object or distance you're measuring. Then, extend the tape measure across the object or space to the other point you're measuring to. The hook is designed to slide slightly to compensate for its thickness, ensuring both inside and outside measurements are accurate. Accurate measurements are not just about reading numbers. It's crucial to keep the tape measure straight and level to avoid bending, which can lead to inaccuracies. Also, ensure you're looking directly down at the tape to avoid parallax errors, a common mistake where the measurement looks different based on your viewing angle. Beyond the standard inch and fractional inch markings, some tape measures include special markings for common construction needs. For example, you might see small black diamonds or triangles at certain intervals, often every 19.2 inches. These are for spacing engineered floor joists. Similarly, red markings at every 16 inches may indicate the standard spacing for wall studs in construction. But there's another feature designed to enhance your measurement efficiency: the arrow marks or small triangles located above the numbers indicating feet. These marks serve as quick visual cues, helping you to instantly recognize each foot measurement without needing to count each individual inch. In practice, using a tape measure effectively comes down to familiarity and confidence. Start by measuring simple lengths, practicing reading the fractional markings, and gradually work up to more complex tasks, such as measuring diagonals or curved surfaces. Remember, the tape measure is a tool, and like any tool, proficiency comes with practice. Finally, the measure of a skilled tradesperson is not just in their ability to read a tape measure, but in their application of this knowledge to create, build, and solve problems. As you continue your journey in the trades, let the tape measure be your guide to precision, your aid in accuracy, and your partner in craftsmanship. With practice, patience, and persistence, you'll find that mastering the tape measure opens up a world of possibilities in your chosen trade.